2019 Kia Forte. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.